Yo, what's going on, guys? Here a bit messy. This is me when I wake up and hit the market. I don't. This is. I wake up early, but it's alright. Anyways, I don't know what day it is, but it's the first day back from my trip, and this is what we got. Yeah. I was bullish on the day. Um, this was pretty much my main point, my main draw was this 4 hour high, respecting higher time frame order flow, and we had respected this gap, swept liquidity. I think on the hourly we made an SMT as well. So this is in Q. Oh no, this is ES. ES swept this hourly low. NQ did not. So we had that SMT. We had this SMT within here. Alright. And then here to here. That SMT. So we had a couple other confluences, other SMTs push price higher. This was my sweep on liquidity for the day. I scaled down. Everything was still intact. London and sweep Asia. So this was my sweep. London sweeping out that hourly low. Now, upon market open, price had opened and swept, took out 5 minute liquidity. I didn't really need that for a Monday trade, but we got it anyway, and I was ready to go. Saw price retrace into that 15 minute here and come out of it sweeping 5 minute liquidity. I wanted to trade on NQ because it was the leading index technically, and I say technically because ES actually ended up almost, it was closer to that previous day high or 4 hour high up here than in Q. I don't need this right now. It's bullshit, bro. Alright. Okay. So it was a bit closer. It was leading. It was moving higher than NQ. But we saw the retracement on NQ. That was good confirmation. So once price came out of this 5 minute gap right here, we saw this big candle up, and I've recently been waiting for a second entry confirmation instead of the first one that I see. So I didn't enter on this candle here. This would have been confirmation, but I entered on this candle. Had stops down here and held my TP up here, right? So sit and drawdown for about what, 10 minutes, something like that. It was painful, but then we kept just chopping and chopping and chopping. I ended up closing right around trying to see, right around here, this candle. Price is going to take me out. I had over risked anyway, so I decided to just close on my designated risk. I was risking about 680 and I am closing 513, so I saved myself at least another trade for tomorrow or the next days to come before I blow the account. And it's terrible to say, but yeah, it's come down to that. I had real high conviction in this draw. Price just had other plans. Incher is definitely a bit chopped, but I had high conviction in it. Had high conviction in this trade, and Price ended up doing what it wanted, and inevitably came down. Today was definitely not a typical type of Monday, but you know, shit happens. This is my first trade back, first day back. I've been back. I was still back testing while I was on vacation, but it came down to today. I had every confluence I needed. Had good confirmation. We were respecting bullish order flow as we were going higher, and then price decided to just dump down. So very unfortunate. You can see the loss here. So I've got $500 left till I am donezo with this account, and yeah, that previous week was terrible, and this is not a good start off to the week, but you know, it's alright. I ain't mad. I followed my rules. The only thing that I did not follow was over risking, and that was simply my fault. I had put too many contracts on, and next time I just need to lower the contract size, and then I can de-risk. But I didn't have anywhere to go break even, except if ES had taken out this high, I would have went break even. That was my plan, but price didn't even reach up there. So that's all I got for y'all. I mean, first day back. I felt good. I felt confident. Just not what I expected out of today's price action. Like I said, I waited for price to play out. I didn't want to enter right upon market open, even though I knew where price wanted to go. It didn't reach there. Maybe it'll go over there later. I don't know. I don't really care. I just care about what happens tomorrow. So, trying to keep myself in high spirit. You know, keep myself head above my shoulders, and stay on my high horse, because something like this ain't gonna bother me. Sure, I'm close to blowing the account, and it's alright, because you can just get another one. It goes the same with fundeds. Just get another one. Just takes a bit of time, and that's alright. But yeah, anyways, that's all I got for y'all. It's been good. Good to be back. Good to be back to locking in and getting back on this grind. So I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.